Alright, so I'll show you how I was able to design this graphics with my mobile phone. So let's get started. Here's a blank page. I'll go to elements. I already have them in my recently used, so I won't have to start searching all over for them again. So this is the background. Let me show you the keyword or the name. Why satin fabric? So this is the name. Let's go back to our design. Set this as background image. Then what again did we do? Get a shape, a circle shape in the middle, increase the size and center it. Give it a gradient color. Let me show you the color code for the first color, which is FF54FF, and the second color is 173AFF. All right, so let's get our image. This is the image I used, so I'll need to remove the background of this image. Remove this excess spacing and increase the size. So the next thing we will do is I need to get color transparent gradient. This transparent gradient. Once you search for transparent gradient on element, you find it. I'll move it up a little bit. Okay. Then enter my text. Want to learn how to bring it down, duplicate, design an app. Okay, design an app. Let's go to effects. Give it an outline, and then the color will be white. No, the color is this, the color of the gradient, but we need to increase the thickness, increase the size of this, and change the text color to white. Then we need to reduce or change the color of this. Change the color to this, no, this, and then duplicate it. I also need to remove the bold. It should be lighter. Good. Then join Canva Design Mastery today. I think we should move this up a little bit so we can have enough spacing below for our other elements. Let's go to position to ensure that this text are positioned at the center, and then center. Okay, we need to bring this down. All right, we also need to get another shape, same circle. The circle now should have a border. Let's increase the border width to 20 or 21. Then remove the color and also change the color of the border to a brand, or use this. Yeah, we use the transparent color, the same color with the one at the center. Move it up, duplicate it, and bring it down here. Our design is coming to shape, it's taking shape. So let me go to uploads to get my, I think this is the one I used. this is one of the screens I designed for Canva Design Mastery class. So position it. Good. The next thing we have to do is get another shape from our element. Where is the shape? Okay, this one. I'll show you the name. Stretch it out. I'll reduce the transparency. Let me look at the original post. Let's see what transparency 11. So let's go back and change this to bring it down to 11. Good. So what else? What else do we need here? Okay, let's go back to element, get this, move it down here, duplicate it, and rotate. Let me show you the name of that. This is the name, holographic gradient shapes transparency. And for the other shape, the name is, the first one, abstract spiral graph shape element. So let me look at this other post, and we need to increase the size of this. So, but we need to, before we do that, let's group them. I just need this one and the image group. Now I can increase the size. Then I need to access the circle in the background. To do that, I need to go to layers, then increase it. Then let me get this. I also need to access that white gradient, transparent gradient, which is this. Make it double, move it down. No, it should be above, this image should be beneath it. So it should be up in front of this image. Same also goes for the second one. So, okay, now this is what I want to achieve. The next thing I will do, let me look at the original post. Okay, we need this element here, and then let me get it. It's called gradient arrow shapes. So get it, resize it, and let's change the color to one of the colors to our primary color, which is the blue color. I need to bring up this circle here, so I go back to layers to access it. Bring it up. Okay. So the next thing we need is these other elements. I'll just copy them. You just go into elements and get in the text to enter them. So I'll just copy it and paste here. I don't want this video to be too long. Paste. I also get the button, which is this one. Okay, I can access it, but let me just show you how to do the button. It's simple. Go to element, pick this shape, enter 100% online. 100% online. Reduce this and bring it down. Change the color to blue and also change the text color to white. Then we need to make the text bold and ensure it is at the center. So this is it. This is how to design something like this. Very simple.